In this question, you have to match the animals given in list 1 with the respective excretory structures given in list 2. Now, flatworms like Taenia possess excretory systems called protonephridia with flame cells. Thus, A matches with 3. Freshwater paramecium utilizes contractile vacuoles for osmoregulation. Thus, B matches with 2. Cockroaches, that is Periplaneta, utilizes uricose glands for excretion. Thus, C matches with 4. Earthworms, that is Peritima, possesses nephridia as excretory organs. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Options A, B, and C are incorrect as these include inappropriate matches.